No?
Yeah.
I've just come out of the Assembly chamber where I was questioning the Cabinet Secretary on the need for a childcare worker strategy or a plan for the early years workforce in its totality. It's been in draft form for over 3 years. We were promised it would be published last autumn, then we were promised it would be spring. Now it's being rolled into the wider government employability programme, which doesn't go live until 2019, which means even further delay. Now, my concern specifically is that in the meantime, of course, this government is rolling out an enhanced childcare offer. It's one that we support, but there's no guarantee now that the workforce will be in place. How can they be sure that there'll be sufficient childcare workers out there to deliver the programme when it's ready to go live across the whole of Wales? And not just that there's sufficient numbers, but that those workers will have the appropriate skills and will be properly qualified to do the best possible job for our children.